Welcome to Astronomy for Beginners, where we'll embark on a journey to explore the wonders of the cosmos. Whether you're gazing up at the night sky for the first time or seeking to understand the universe's mysteries, this guide will help you take your first steps into the captivating realm of astronomy. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial objects such as stars, planets, galaxies, and cosmic phenomena. It's about understanding the universe beyond our planet and the tools and techniques astronomers use to observe and comprehend these distant wonders. The night sky. Before we delve deeper, let's start with the basics. The night sky is a canvas filled with stars and planets. Constellations are patterns that ancient civilizations recognized in the stars, telling stories and guiding navigation. The Moon, Earth's natural satellite, and the planets of our solar system are easily visible to the naked eye. Tools of the trade. Astronomers use various tools to explore the cosmos. Telescopes are essential instruments that allow us to peer far beyond what our eyes alone can see. From the earliest handheld telescopes to the massive observatories of today, these tools have expanded our understanding of the universe. Our solar system. Our solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. The Sun, a massive ball of hot, glowing gas, provides light and energy to our solar system. Each planet has unique characteristics and orbits the Sun in its own elliptical path. Stars and galaxies. Stars are immense, luminous spheres of plasma that emit light and heat due to nuclear reactions in their cores. They come in various sizes, colors, and stages of evolution. Galaxies are colossal systems of stars, gas, and dust bound by gravity. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, contains billions of stars and is just one of many galaxies in the universe. Cosmic phenomena. The cosmos is alive with fascinating events. Eclipses occur when one celestial body passes in front of another, casting a shadow. Meteor showers are spectacular displays of shooting stars as Earth passes through debris left behind by comets. These events connect us to the dynamic nature of space. Unraveling mysteries. Astronomers work tirelessly to unlock the universe's mysteries. They analyze data, create computer simulations, and collaborate to understand the birth, life, and death of stars, the expansion of the universe, and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. As you embark on your journey into astronomy, remember that the universe is a boundless expanse of wonder waiting to be explored. Whether you're gazing at the stars with your own eyes or diving into the depths of cosmic research, the universe holds endless opportunities for discovery.